Don't go near a big water snake. Just sitting there. Whoa. Whoa, they tried to bite the bait.
Stop messing with him, Uncle. Took under 5 seconds to get on.
First cast, first catch, right?
Yeah, it took less than 5 seconds to get on. Started reeling it, and then I was like, oh, I got something. Look at that. That's pretty good.
Catfish.
Pretty good size for the first catch.
Catfish. Reel it up. Let's see what you got.
Nice size.
Another catfish. Good job, buddy. How many is that today? A lot. Well, you got a big one now. Slow, slow, slow. Keep going, keep going. Reel it up, reel it up. Oh, it's a big boy. Keep going. Oh my gosh, huge. Hold on.
Is that a bass?
No, it's a catfish. Wind it up, wind it up.
Gosh, that's huge.
Hold the line up. Grab the line with your hand. Grab the line with your hand. No, down here. Stick it out.
Wow.
Hold on. That thing's huge. Evan's got another one. Ooh, nice jump. Ooh, it's jumping. Ooh, you see that snake try to attack it? Again, another one?
Yeah. that one was pretty good.
Got another one. Hold it up. Let me see how big this one is.
Not too big.
Master fisherman.